Ever wondered why some people seem to effortlessly grow their wealth while others, despite earning good money, struggle to get ahead? The secret isn't simply in what they earn, it's in how they manage it. After over a decade of research with high net worth clients as an investment banker, I've learned that the strategies used by the wealthiest 1% to grow and protect their wealth are surprisingly accessible. In fact, anyone, no matter their income level, can adopt these principles to transform their financial life. Today, I'm sharing a blueprint called the 15-65-20 Rule, a powerful, straightforward system that can transform the way you manage your finances, helping you achieve greater financial security and freedom. By the end of this video, you'll have a toolkit that can help you take control of your financial future. Let's dive into the first part of the rule, which is the 15% savings guideline. The 15% rule suggests setting aside 15% of every dollar you earn toward long-term security and emergencies. This habit is a cornerstone of financial success, building a reliable cushion that protects you from unexpected setbacks. Picture this. You're driving home and suddenly a tire blows out, or an unexpected medical bill comes up. Without emergency savings, you're left scrambling to cover these costs, often adding debt or stress to an already difficult situation. But if you followed the 15% rule, you'll have a savings cushion that protects you from such surprises. You can focus on solutions instead of worrying about the financial impact, allowing you to maintain your peace of mind even during emergencies. If you don't already have an emergency fund, start by building a quick-access rainy day fund that covers at least 1 month of essential expenses. Think of this as your first line of defense. Essential expenses include rent, groceries, utilities, transportation, and other core costs. Even a modest buffer like this provides peace of mind, knowing that you have a fallback in case of emergencies. Once you've saved 1 month's worth of expenses, gradually work up to cover 3 to 6 months. With this cushion, you'll have powerful financial security. If a major crisis strikes, like job loss or a serious health issue, you'll be covered, giving you time to adjust without derailing your financial stability. Remember, security is the foundation of wealth building, and a solid emergency fund is one of the best investments you can make in yourself. The 15% you set aside isn't just an emergency fund. It's also an engine for long-term growth. With consistent contributions to investments, even modest sums can grow substantially over time, thanks to the power of compound interest. Compound interest is often called the eighth wonder of the world because it can grow wealth exponentially. In simple terms, it's when the interest on your investment earns interest on itself, creating a snowball effect that becomes more powerful with time. The earlier you start investing, the more you can benefit from this effect. Consider Bella and John. Bella starts investing a lump sum of $10,000 at age 30, earning a steady 6% annual return, and doesn't touch it for 20 years. By age 50, her $10,000 grows to about $32,000. On the other hand, John waits until he's 40 to start. He invests $2,000 each year for 10 years, earning the same 6% return. Despite contributing more than Janet, Mike's total is only around $28,000. This illustrates the power of starting early. Janet's single investment grows more because she gave it time to compound. If you're new to investing, consider starting with low-risk options such as mutual funds, index funds, or ETFs, which provide diversification and are less volatile. As you get more comfortable, explore tax-advantaged accounts to maximize your returns. Here are some specific steps you can take. 1. Contribute to workplace retirement plans. If available, start with a retirement plan like a 401k in the U.S. Many employers offer matching contributions, which can double your money. So maximize this opportunity for supercharged savings. 2. Look into tax-advantaged accounts. For U.S. viewers, accounts like Roth IRAs and traditional IRAs offer tax benefits. If you're in the UK, consider a stocks and shares ISA, which allows tax-free growth. Tax-free accounts can accelerate wealth building by reducing the amount lost to taxes. 3. Build a portfolio with growth potential. As your financial knowledge grows, diversify by adding other asset classes, such as stocks, bonds, and real estate. Diversification protects your investments and provides more growth opportunities over time. By setting aside this 15%, you're creating both a financial safety net and an engine for wealth building. This foundational step sets the stage for long-term security and wealth growth. The next part of the 15-65-20 rule is the 65% guideline. This suggests allocating no more than 65% of your income to essential living expenses. This isn't just about frugality. It's about gaining control over your finances and avoiding lifestyle inflation. Your 65% allocation includes essential costs that maintain your lifestyle, such as rent or mortgage, groceries, utilities, and transportation. As your income rises, you'll likely feel the urge to upgrade your life. However, it's vital to manage these costs and resist the temptation to inflate your lifestyle without purpose. Lifestyle inflation happens when your spending increases as your income rises. This can sabotage wealth-building efforts if left unchecked. Here's how to resist it. Resist the urge to upgrade. It's tempting to upgrade to a more expensive apartment, car, or lifestyle when you get a raise, but this can backfire. Each small upgrade adds up, and your expenses may grow to match your income unless you actively prevent it. Recognize common expense traps. Studies show that housing and transportation often consume 30 to 40% of household budgets. By managing these costs, you can significantly increase the money available for saving and investing. If you're willing to put in a little extra effort, there are practical ways to manage core costs and maximize the amount you can save and invest. Here are a few. Housing. Negotiate your rent, consider a roommate, or look for housing that meets your needs without going overboard. Housing costs often have the most significant impact on budgets, so reducing this expense can free up a considerable amount. Transportation. Look into alternatives like biking, public transportation, or carpooling. Cars come with hidden expenses, from maintenance to insurance, so reducing your reliance on a vehicle can save thousands. Utilities and groceries. Reduce utility usage by being mindful of energy consumption. When it comes to groceries, meal planning and bulk buying can cut down costs. Preparing meals at home is generally cheaper and healthier than eating out. Maintaining essential expenses within 65% of your income allows you to invest more without sacrificing your quality of life. This discipline will enable you to enjoy more financial flexibility and stability, even as you work toward larger goals. The final piece of the 15-65-20 rule is the 20% fun money allocation. This category is essential for sustainability. It's the portion set aside specifically for guilt-free enjoyment and personal growth. In his book Die with Zero, Bill Perkins argues that money isn't just for accumulation. It's meant to enhance our lives. Wealthy individuals understand the importance of enjoying life and set aside funds to do so intentionally. This approach makes wealth management sustainable by preventing burnout and promoting a balanced life. Financial freedom isn't about extreme sacrifice. It's about finding a balance. This is why setting aside 20% for personal enjoyment is so valuable. It helps avoid burnout and encourages you to stay committed to your long-term goals. Think of this category as maintenance for your wealth-building journey. Avoid the diet mentality. Similar to diets, strict financial plans are hard to sustain without some indulgence. By reserving 20% for personal use, you're less likely to overspend impulsively, making it easier to stay on track. Think of this 20% as an investment in your well-being and growth. Here are a few suggestions. Treat yourself. Enjoy experiences that recharge you, like a nice dinner or a weekend getaway. These moments provide positive reinforcement for your disciplined approach. Invest in personal development. Use this money to take a course, attend a workshop, or learn a new skill that adds value to your life or career. Embrace guilt-free spending. This category allows you to enjoy life without feeling guilty. Creating a conscious budget for fun helps ensure you're managing your finances with balance and intention. The 15-65-20 rule is more than just a guideline. It's a blueprint for financial freedom. By prioritizing security, managing essentials, and allowing room for enjoyment, you're not just surviving. You're building a life that's secure, rewarding, and enjoyable. This system helps you create a sustainable approach to wealth that anyone, regardless of income, can adopt to take control of their financial future. If you found this video helpful, subscribe for more tips on wealth management and personal finance strategies.